Hello students, so welcome again. Here I am with another lecture on engineering graphics. This time again the topic will be diagonal scale and in scale I am going to solve a problem on diagonal scale. The problem will be like this: on a building plan, a line of 5 cm long length represents a distance of 100 meter. Find out the RF, calculate the RF, construct a diagonal scale to read up to 300 meters showing single meter by diagonal division. As you remember that already I told you that for any scale the three prime requirements will be: one will be the RF, for that the proportion will be given to me, second will be the units we want to measure with the help of that scale, and third will be what is the maximum length. All the three things are given in this problem. We already told the ratio, that is 5 centimeter will be representing a distance of 100 meter. So easily we can find out the RF. The formula will be again RF equals to length of the object on drawing upon actual length of the object. So if I place here, that is 5 centimeter divided by 100 meter. Now convert that into centimeter, so that comes 5 upon 100 into 100. So that comes 1 upon 2000. So 1 upon 2000 will be RF for this scale. Now the maximum length we want to measure with the help of this scale will be 300 meter. So this 300 meter will be represented by a line that will be known as the length of scale, and the formula for the length of scale will be RF multiplied by maximum length to be measured. So that is 1 upon 2000 into 300 meter. Again convert this meter into centimeter. So that is 1 upon 2000 into 300 into 100. So that comes 15 centimeter. So meaning that if I draw a line of 15 centimeter length, that will represent a line of 300 meter, that will show a distance of 300 meters. Now if we want to go for a diagonal scale, now in this problem the 3 units should be, as they already told us, they want to measure minimum up to single meter. So minimum up to single meter means total length 300 meter, and if I want to go for up to single meter, so the 3 units should be 100 meter, 10 meter and 1 meter. So now the main important terms we got: one RF, that is 1 upon 2000. The units for this scale are 1 meter, then 10 meter and finally 100 meter, and maximum length, as already we got, that will be 300 meter. So now I want to go for a diagonal scale. So the method will be, again I am going to draw a line of 15 centimeter length on this scale, for this scale. So I will draw a line of 15 centimeter length, and I will divide this line into, as this line will be representing a distance of 300 meter. So if I divide that 300 meter into 3 parts, then one part will represent a distance of 100 meter. So I have directly divided this line into 3 parts. You can use the method of geometry also. So if I divided this line into 3 parts, now this first part will be our 0, and towards the right of the 0 will be 100 and 200. Now if I divide the first part again into 10 parts, then one part will represent a distance of 10 meter. So with the help of geometry, that method earlier we used, that same method I am going to use to divide this line into 10 parts. Now take any distance in the divider and mark 10 equal marking on this line. So 10 equal markings. After 10 equal markings, join this 10th one with 0 like this, and now move parallel from this like this. You can see the upper line will be divided into 10 equal parts. Now this one small part will be equals to 10 meter, and in the right side that will be 100 meter. The mid one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 50 meter. We can write the unit here. This is meter, 10 meter. This is also meter. In center we will write the RF, that is 1 upon 2000. Now for the third division we will go for the diagonal upside and use the principle of diagonal scale. So I will draw a line perpendicular on this, and on this line I am going to mark distances. I have selected that I am going to use 5 mm distance. So in a divider, pick 5 mm distance and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So go up to 10 markings on this line. Same way, this is 10, so upside, so I will complete this rectangle. And complete this rectangle. After this, from all these lines, draw lines parallel. From all these points, draw parallel lines. So what I am doing from all these I am drawing all horizontal 10 lines from all those points I have marked in the extreme left. So these will be parallel and thin lines inside the figure, but that must be visible lines. So I have just drawn all these 10 lines. Now I am going to draw the diagonal part of this. For that, what I am going to do, here in this figure, I am going to join this first part from this side to this extreme left corner. So that is the way. I am going to use a different colored chalk, so that should be visible to you. So from this point I will join this line like this. Now look at this. Now in this figure, if this length will be 10 meter, then this next length will be 9, and this small gap here, that will be 1 meter. That is the concept of diagonal scale. Now the same lines, I will mark lines parallel to this line from all these points like this. I will draw lines like this. So parallel to that inclined line, I am going to draw lines, and this will be generating the concept of diagonal that we earlier discussed and studied. So these lines are like this. So all these lines, inclined lines are inclined lines. So now look at this figure. This is the first part. In this figure, all these lines are tilted towards the left side. So if this distance will be 10 meter, then the next distance will be 9, and same way this small gap in the first division will be equals to 1 meter length. And if I want to mention, then this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be 10 meter. You can write in this way. That is the third part, that is also meter. So the meter, 1 meter we will get at this part. Suppose if I want to measure any length, suppose I want to measure a length of 165 meter with the help of this scale. Now look at this. From 0 to 100 will be 100 meter. Now if I move towards the left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 160. If I go on this line, inclined line, that is yellow line, 1 up. So that is 161. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the distance between these 2 points, this point and this. So the distance between these 2 points will be 165 meter. So in this way, with the help of diagonal, we can get the third fraction of the scale. So now with the help of this scale, you can go from 1 meter to any length up to 300 meter. Suppose we want to go for 247 meter. Now 247 meter, again 0 to 200 will be 200, then 10, 20, 30, 40. So if we are on the baseline, then we can go up to 240. Now upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if I go for this point, and from here till this extreme left, the distance between these 2 points will be 2.247 meter. I hope you all understand the problem. Try to solve in your notebook. This is one of the basic problem of diagonal scale. Thank you very much.